Welcome to my food making channel. In this video, we are going to be making some grilled Swineapple dogs. What we will need is 12 hot dogs. And you can use any type of hot dogs that you want. 12 hot dog buns. And some bacon. And 1 medium fresh pineapple cut up like this, or you can get it sliced. Then some garlic powder, some paprika, some minced onions, and some ground black pepper. And we will need to mix together the pineapple and the seasonings. Let's put the pineapple in here. Then we will need 2 teaspoons of paprika, that's about 2 teaspoons right there. Put in the rest of those. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And there's about 1 teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of minced onions or onion powder. And there's about 1 teaspoon of that. And then 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And there's about 1/2 teaspoon. And we are going to mix that together. And once that is all mixed together, it should look something like this. And then we are going to take a hot dog. And then we are going to take some pineapple and place it with the hot dog. Then we will need to take, then we will need to wrap it around the hot dog. If I can get straight off of those. I'm gonna try this again. Place that there. Roll it up. Then we are going to repeat that until we have 12. That is all proper. Should look something like this. Then we are going to place it into one of these things. Grills heat up. We are going to cook each side of the hot dogs for about 20 minutes each if you are using a gas.